futhi singakayindawo singakaqalisa lutho buza nje why utest gqoka amasudu butho lo Savereza yena libele indaba yena
sakhuluma ngathi iChiefs ngeke ukudliwa ichicken ingawina siyagqoka amasudu la kanye azidliwa ngazo ngithu
so sigqwele ichicken le Chiefs amasudu amasudu na vele wala president vele uhlala sudu la party liyasezisha nambe ngavula nje emqamelweni azobuthi abasuku abathina bengayisijana. Anyway, welcome ladies and gentlemen to Tape 3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is Pass and Move Soccer Podcast, proudly brought to you by Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies. Itelana ngaphambanisa nje yazi awubhala kula muntu wakupick up yakwazi.
Ufuna ukupick futhi.
Hayi kumele I should honor up. Nje thina kumele ngasize nje abadala labana abanye abangaqanjwa ukuthi ungaphambanisa uvumi. Yazi abadala bavumile baphambanisile.
Awuvumi.
Kumele uvume ukuthi uphambanisile but is Praxol.
What Praxol?
Why is Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies. Abantu bayadinga into so is Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies. Abadila into eziningi kakhulu. Kulomunye umuntu obefuna ukulokhuza engimrefile la obefuna ukucheckelwa isolar lokhuzeni yakhe khayibi sihlala isikhathi ingachekanga so tsho mntabana into abayenza even ubayisiba abayifakayo babuya bezokucheckela ukuthi isolar yakho isharp yonke into right nxa ufuna be-upgrade or whatever bekuchunela. I think they know better but bona bathengisa from solar panel ama-battery very everything even ama-pole water pumps. They also have got then anything electrical, even protection kits. They are told inverters. They've got that. That's Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies right there. It means until ubafayeli shop number lapa. I think it's shop number 2A between 14 and 15 Avenue. Just opposite one stop shop Konapana Ewusen building. You will find the Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies. Then also powered by Lucky Beds. Lucky Beds were running. Let me check before I get into Lucky Beds. Kule competitions have very zobumbuza ngawuthi kulama winners. Abantu babhalile baphendula. The one that I'm remembering from the top of my head. Let me check. Yes. This is it. Baphendulile sebela abantu bencebe bacabanga ukuthi it's not a fluke guys, right? Mbona abantu abaphendulile lapha na umbuzo kulo Thongo Romeo Arch ufakile uthi I think this one like best they have to check this one uthi he registered but kumbe ngceke kule system lana yala uthi screenshot because they wanted to send us his screenshot on Romeo Archie usendele lapha but impendulo yakhe eyinye ibe wrong. He got 2 correct, so I think this one singamnika because I stay anyone so why pendule zonke zo 3 wathola 2. So Romeo Archie you are the first winner of
uphiwe ukuthi winile kumbe sephela ukuthi nguRomeo Archie.
Awusazi zonke zoyithi.
Awinile uphendule
kumbe uyothi intshibizo la bathi Romeo Archie.
Kule picture ungamcheka khona bana comment section uyamthola. So Romeo Archie, you can come through to the studio if ukachana, send anyone to come through to Tape 3 Studios and collect your prizes. There's also Qinisani Moete, he got I want to maybe we say answer anyone, but they were answering 3 questions. I think Qinisani Moete answered 3 questions and got 3 questions correct. Abanye kulo Dumiso Ncube bechinga ngomasudu ubengachinga actually besithi mvumelana lo masudu ngomaninja wehle ku holder. But you can still andamalokhu zama president lokho khona maningi bacheza you can still enter the competition. Umbe sichintshe imbuzo or continue with the same questions.
I think ukutshintsha umbuzo because bayakopa kwabanye.
Bakopa kwabanye.
Satshintsha umbuzo.
So for last week, those are the two winners that will please come through, collect your prizes right here at Dep 3 Studios. The competition is still running as the guys have already alluded. The competition is running. Sisabe loke sifaka during the course of the show. Let's get the show on the road, gents. This week we saw under 15 adlalile ama finals, the CAF Schools tournament iphelile during the course of the weekend. Sibone lo president we CAF uPatrice Motsepe uyehlile wabuye eHarare to honor ukutshengisela ukuthi how big that competition was. Ngabona upresident we CAF eyehla ebuya ezoba nguye onikeza ama medal. It shows ukuthi bathatha serious development okungakanani. Angazi ukuthi likubone njani from your perspectives.
Yeah, that's one thing I love about Motsepe. Most of the times in any competition is always there. Unlike his predecessor, why he sent him a representative, but he is always there by himself. So, konokana lako kuyatshengisa ukuthi into lani biqhakatheke unganani, and it's kusinike futhi umlando ukuthi in the future we have to try by all means to qualify for such competitions, not ukuthi qualify because we are the host. So we need to try and pull up the socks. Siqale raise our fan from 11 years, knowing that we are preparing them ukuthi beze befika ku 15 years under 15 yakona be qualify. So I think there is a need.
Lokubona ukuthi osoro kubamba umlomo. Lokubona emazweni aphumelele abathatha serious development. Umfana as early as 6 years. Yabona sokuthi ama shooters kukhaba ibhora. Besebengani bakufaka faka space. I think that's nxa si serious nge development ngebhora mele sifike to that level.
That extent.
Ngoba ungathecheka siyathwala nzima. Size siqine abafana sibayekele bengene ezikolo ukuze siqase ukuba checka like serious.
That's true.
But uthola abanye amazwe as early kulama under 13 abakhangelile uzothola uthola lamanisi lana eBarcelona la umuntu umfana wangena ile 80s wakhula oPedri laba bakhulele so lathi kumele sibe la ama academy anjalo akhangela abafana siba groom ozethi nxa si under incisa ubo 13 14 se ready for under 15 properly yani angazi savereza to have anything to add.
No, I think the problem is la ama academies lawa sometimes isebe selector ngokuthi uzibani nguyole mali,
and the point
yakho le ama benefits. I'm going back to that point because sikhangelile sabona I performance yabo azange yaba at par lokuthi besensiwe am advantage. Otshengisa ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa kumbe I criteria abaselector ngayo was different. Maybe weza ba competitive. Because for someone who is warm, it draw very finally lose.
I draw. But anyway,
this isn't the ukuthi ama into ongayifisa lokuphinda uyikhalele ukuthi ama academies anga discriminate abantu kusokusiya ngebackground ovela kiyo abasearche bona italent.
True.
Kudingwa abantu abazafunda lawo ma academies, ungabi ukuthi abazali yiwa sebekhipha imali ukuthi ama academies ehlale njani efloat yabo because yi situation ekhona lapha eZimbabwe.
So oyehlulekayo akasakwanza ukuhambisa umntwana ke
oyehlulekayo umntwana akasaye academy fana lokuthi khayisi ungathiwa maybe kulama trials uzothiwa ama trials aseHarare umntwana sozamele egade ehambe kuma trials because obuyayo ukuthi ezebuye ngapha yena lo scoutayo kuba nzima, but abantu abalemali base bethatha abantwana bebahambise kuma trials. So ngelayo uzathini ephelele esikwakweni phela
Masutu. I think we finished number 8, huh? I think sidlala number 7 and 8. I think we finished 8. In performance lokhuze ngisutman yamanda 15 to you have anything la ongaedela khona phana because kule enye issue engibonileyo iMorocco ba complainile bakubele complain abantu babecane nceme maybe mina ngithanda ukusola or anything but ngakhulu umuntu kulabanye abafana they don't look like under 15s those boys like asibe omunye nje ugorongo kona mude kulo ubutho bona mude njani
but abantu labana vele bona abantu labana Senegal le lokuze Senegal le Uganda
le Ghana
le Ghana
ilama Giants
iZambia yona ukuthi ababo labana amabhawa bayathenga but ngakutshela ukuthi uba libhawa isikho kudlala ibhola iZambia lapha sasithotiza phumfika kumbe ama finals because into lana yaqalisa siyibona kuZambia singakaboni okhula abangabantwana belokuzeni abeSenegal
but mfuni sibe mude kakhulu ku topic le masudu Eda yazibe bisiyanga
hayi ngizwile mina like ipoint lana ukuthi kunyo Savereza yabona like mawubakhangela abafana beZimbabwe ngendlela abadlala ngayo nje you can say lapha kwabaloku lomkhonyovo wadlalayo cause why uyabukwazi ukuthi kulomfana kumbe kulabafana abayi10 ababetter than bona bana babekhona ba obaziyo wena khona ukuthi like look at uMpopo Mahai look at abafana babedlala eYCT you can say ukuthi umfana lo uya deserve uba ku national team ubusubona ba national team bakhona vele le standard sakhona vele ongakumpiki even laseMpopo Moba but ku national team just because ukuthi yena uyathola ule mali ubabakhe uyamkhona afford ukuthi beyifika upha kumbe eZimbabwe kwethona ukuthi ungubani okazibani yabo kube babuya from grassroots phansi la beqasha ukubuza kumbe belandele from mama ezikolweni they can pick up abafana ade bezayenza ngcono yabo
so iMorocco lithini ngeMorocco ecomplain le ngaba ngondoda laba because madoda singazama ukuvala ukuthi abafana labana bayakhula hayi
yabona kulo mfana lo oweSenegal le 19 years lo Thombani ekitike mboThombani bani tikiti wathi odlalele nxa dlalele AC Milan ngikwazi udlalele iInter umbe win something like that ngomkhangele wona umncane but ule 19 years and it ilevel dlala ngeke there's no need for age cheating eSenegal vele bayakhula yena ungakhayela like I always say ama faces abo they can tell lo umntwana height doesn't determine ukuthi umuntu unganani omunye kwansi unabuluke emude nje njengami umude kodwa uncane uladinokela
okunye mina I think iMorocco is just bitter even noma khayesi ungavuka kuthiwa kule competition even swimming iSenegal ngayo I think iMorocco izatiqiliwe
see ukuthi usiyaka usongisho le Morocco Senegal
hala bana vela sokuyiwosi
or to cut the long story short I think menzo file line up lana eSenegal ama viewers ezenzela decision hayi ngoba le ayisozipheli
but bahla ebe Uganda phela labo it was same scenario phela
abakhula vele abantu
bakhula abantu
bangale balethambo vele emthetho wabo balethambo
bakhulu
labo
iUganda even ubochere iye wina iUganda ubochere
yeah
15 bakho wina iUganda baligana
but anyway congratulations to Amanda 15 Senegal
la Uganda
amakaza
ngiyabonga kakhulu then we saw Amanda 17 were playing le Uganda Amanda 17 abafazi under 17 ladies izim World Cup qualifier sidwe Uganda 2-0
I believe ukuthi ukudliwa sadliwa because Uganda it was a better team compared to us but when it comes to selection that team was balanced
kakhulu
ibe cover wonke ama regions
Cheribel yamanda 17 years
kokana
esasukukhalela
the rectify that mistake
kungabi Harare United
we give credit to it
sibe nasithi Zimbabwe ukukhuluma with pride ukuthi lawa ngamankazana eZimbabwe under 17 nothi ukuthi kube ngathi provincial team hayi
lokana lami ngakubona yayibalancile lokana ukuthi ungeke ukhale
just ukuthi second leg ama results will favor us lathi anti it was the first game job kwazi ukuthi abantu bahlala bengadlali London so I think this time around ucoach abebona ukuthi ama mistakes akhe uhambe njani maybe might come back from that 2-0 that is maybe we win a 4-2
the main challenge I always say about iporala abafazi for us to get ama results abafazini is not going to be easy for one reason only. Ama-grounds abasebenzisayo nxa bedlala ama-local matches abo achiyene lama-grounds abadlala nxa sedlala ama-competitive matches abo. Nxa sesiyadlala ekuthefu kunzima, ithefu vele yona ngikwayo iyasinda. Yes, ifuna ijwayele kwadlala ibhola, you understand what I'm saying? Inzima ifuna ijwayele. Awusoze uyijwayela nge-3-4 days as a camp player. Ifuna isikhathi ube ijwayele, ube yazi, ube kwazi ngenza njani, because ibhola khona futhi amabhola abasebenzisa ama-speedball. Nxa liseselonini wena indlela olichaya ngalo sesikwakwini lolikhaba ngalo selikuloni, iphesi yakhona uyaphosa ukhala. So I still remember dlala social ngangakuphosa ngakhala sempasi ifake ibhola ngithi lifica lapha ibhola lanchiya. Ngisikukhabele ngedwa because ispeed sakhona siba too much. So khona kana ngamanye ama contributing factors ayenza thina singabe progress siya further. Ngaze kube le selection right, good talent, good what, we going to suffer there because abakujayelanga, and like abafana bavile bajayele udlala bo BF oshawanto ban something like that, but bona badlala ema ground angayisiyo. So aba treat amankazana njengabafana, at least badlalise midweek kubo BF midweek kubo ma-stadiums wonke nalawo.
They get used
to that.
That's a very important point.
Mina angikwazi bayaphelela ngakho because they were saying something like could maybe bafuna strike ideal le PSL we curtain race. It was a good idea, but guys ama-ground angikhona, for instance obulawayo anti yabona ukuthi guys le ground e-1 uphinde ufayile amankazana, hayi ground angikhona la.
But ingathelwa shapa bile problem khona. Ingathelwa shapa isebenza one day even noma isebenza unganani ngelanga elodwa ayibile problem.
So PF so ukuthi maybe nxa ayithelelwa or abayi party sharp.
And so even during half time awuboni even bethelela bemanzisa amanzi njengoba kwenziwe emazweni ngale. Khona ke amanzi ukuthela khona ukuthi
i-ground iphela le science zakhona nje thina ezabo grounds mina
hayi ukuthi
maybe nxa iloni abaloni ngale la lawa ambonje
afana njengona ngale okubala laba sikusho kahle ngama ground ngale ama stadiums ukubona ukwanisa ama stadium lama ground
awufana nje ithefu yakhona
iloni utshani butshani
lezana zengenele ebhujeki iloni vele ngeke uzivananise lobana butshani right lokana butshani lana ithefu lena ngenelebhu yabona phela phawo yakhitshwa ingenelebhu beyitreat very treatwa different mdala ngathi mdala hayi akufanani
so right, but nonetheless khona kana
ukuthi kuzanywa imizamo ukuthi
umuthi irecipe omkhulu vele kulozeni ukuthi efu ngamanzi ifuna amanzi
then usuqedile kulenye indaba engichazile into engikhumbulisa Vereza ngahleka ngithe ngibala orefu labana abarefuli Chiefs le Dynamos izifi basuspend
yabona uneli le problem ewane ukuthi sometimes uyade khuluma phandle nqalisasana la kanti yabe khuluma ngani uyajoka but into azenzayo yamsithi njenge team yeni le hali zasokola lina kobulawayo kanti that's what it does a ground as well ebesephambanisa nxa sephambanisile ukuthi ukwazi lapha nekhuluma wayedlala njengomchitha kanti kumbe waye serious because this is the second time for him being suspended. Last season as well was suspended. This season again has been suspended.
But inkinga ukuthi i-communication yezifa la ngabe batsho phela ukuthi hayi for offense enje kumbe ngeminute enje sibe kwazi because lapha na i-incident sibile ngayibonayo iyanika egobhora le offside yaba igobhora offside lana kwaphakanyiswa lokho ze
kule penalty issue
ye-Chiefs lana
so ngama 3 major incidents
3 major ibhora elangena elaphumayo wayehlule ukunothisa konke
adetermine game
but just hope ukuthi they will come back strong when focused bengabuyi with
yes fail to come strong
usumayini
hayi but anduve kanika ivela suspension iphelile so week 8 I think they will be back isaboni ukuthi bachanja
no but that's another thing Jane
hayi into enzakalayo ilokhu zikhiphe ilokhu zalesidlulile abantu laba ngefika khona basuspendwa kudala game 4
game should be game 3
basevile suspension yabo sebeyise
it should have been game 3 mfufu yakho napho but ukuthi babatshela bona refa thina sitshelo ithi siphuma i-statement media statement yezifa yabe siphelisa suspension
wona sombona ngesikhathi wasuspension
eserefula
kini lina kwabe songani
abaqamba amanga
suspended, which means
the communication is to improve.
Hala waphuwa baphuke kwenzeni izinto
But I think I want to believe ukuthi kona if Uneli in this company they are very serious because this is the second time for him in a row. It's 2 seasons in a row. For a top flight, they're being suspended for similar mistakes. Some mistakes you have to pull up and when you are a match official, you don't have to decide the results for the game. You are just there to balance the match. You are just there to direct and conduct the match. Ufulandele umthetho and call a spade a spade. Not ukuthi uyenza ukuthi uchaza abantu, umbuzondisa abantu, usekle ama-grudges, which is wrong. Now, Katesu, you have tarnished your image for him. Ukuthi ekhwele ezefika ku-CAF, it will take years and years.
Yabona ukuthi okunye sebelokhu sikukhuluma usongani siyaphinda sebelokhu sibuyela ku issue lana yemali leya eyaphuma imali yabo leya yabo ungasakwazi ukuthi okuyi
indaba isimanager kuhle imali yakho nabethi lenga
that's another thing.
Indaba abantwana bepasa esikolweni ezingela mfulo kuze nini ezingenamali.
That's another thing. So it's now an individual look.
It's an individual thing. It's not about money to be an honest person. Integrity doesn't take money.
So you just feel like Uneli so mele ehambe echaya
Division 1 banza.
Nipepu zathe echaya ama games outside Blawayo because maybe kule into ekhona against ama teams eBlawayo ngendlela esukubeka yana.
The referee in question is Nelson Meke, assistant referee umncedisi Maphosa, assistant referee uTaura Murangwana. Those are the 3 match commissioner athi abachanga sharp they were suspended. So Nelson Meke sebemphinda I suspension. So ngavumelana lobutho anyway. Yazi why Chimene is proving I think ule lihlo labafuna ukuya khona. It's not about imali. You use lapho okhona as a stepping stone.
Exactly.
Because if you use ungathi ufuna ukuba motivated ngemali lapho khona awusozuye phezulu. So yena ngabe usebenzi if he's a serious ref amela ngabe le ndaba le uthi imali yakhe ayikhola incane ebese angithi uthi yathengisa ebese yenza ama decision anu uthengisile ngani udinga imali.
No asikho ukuthengisa ikwehluleka.
So kwakwanisa total.
It's not ukuthi uthengisile game ukwehluleka total.
Ubona njani futhi manje uyehluleka kumbuya?
Hayi uyehluleka because ama mistakes akhona aso ungakhangela so ukuthengisa.
iBlood Chiefs ayithenga iDynamo sayithenga.
Wena wakhulumela amathima.
Hayi la even laqala eza suspend vele babe ngathenganga uyabe esehluleka umsebenzi wakhe.
Yabe misjudge umuntu wenyama madoda.
Kanti utshone misjudge uyabona kunje wena ungehluleka ukumisa ibhora sesithi awuhlulekile uphinde futhi ulokuzeni sesithi uyabuhluleka which means uyabuhluleka
sesiyakubhurula yabona
ubungana buqhakatheka asimzondi when you are here we don't talk anything personal we talk reality as it is. You cannot be saying at a level like a Premier League uthi khona ungucoach ufundisa player ukumisa ibhora at a level like Premier League khona safuna ufundisa ref ukuthi khona ilokuze nini offside ijajwa njani.
Lapha lo muntu akazomela ebotshela ifraud ngoba ungazibona ku premium sehlelo kulo kuze umuntu wakusayinayo.
That's where the problem is. Match commissioner report ithi khona match commissioner wayala was not happy about the decisions which are not conclusive nama standards ebora because some of the decisions of course you can say yes lani throw in and between throw in la offside ikopora but okunye ama penalties you don't have to decide I result ye game as a ref ingangcono phambanise phakathi lapha unga decide ikona I result yikho kule problem khona because unga deny ikopora lenye team njalo khona okwenza iphoso umzali namo echayi shot ibhola liphela ngene ketini. What was that? You see, so that's the problem. Ama ref at least nxa bepanishwa so sibakwazi la nxa sokuphuzile sibe kwazi bapanishiwe lathi kuyasithutuza enhlizweni zethu
kakhulu.
But into enhle ukuthi ayisiwo ama ref kuphela atholakala esenza ama misjudgment lama offside. This week edlulileyo yayilanders la izitholisa ku offside suspend uDenzel kwathiwa ngone phenduke.
Karo uphinde sephendukisiwe kumbe is still on suspension? It's not clear.
Kule ayimemo ephumile Saturday uyibona
yokuthi kabise
ama lawyers
city
advised Islanders ukuthi
this is what I'm saying ukuthi Islanders accepted yini
But vele ungayibona isiphuma soyana vele yikho kuyabuzokukhona kaya ngathi sebemreinstateini
Oh.
because la yalenders yakwanisa ukuyala andisebenzisa ama-lawyers abo
i-islanders yesenzisa amaloyayo phela ama-lawyers e-islanders ya-advise
Ibhodi.
ibhodi ukuthi bemreinstate
okay
because into yangikhona ingabahluka
owasomaloya kaloku zenini kamkandla
ayasomaloya
Amaloya kade enzela advise yini?
hayi lana ngaya-island
Ongaya Islanders.
ngaya-island
Advise uthi
Yeah.
abiselana umuntu
Yeah,
lo
uthi biselana umuntu.
singaba le problem. Speaking about i-Islanders. Okay, before I go to that, please remember to like, subscribe, and also engage us in the comments. Yazi kuqakathekile ukuthi ubukele, usubscribe, ube part of a-member. Yazi kulabantu ababukelayo, check YouTube anti yakutshela.
even share
Kulabantu ababukela but they don't subscribe, angazi why. And sebesiba baningi ukudlula ama-subscribers. Please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe. Ngikhulumisha abantu?
subscribe
Subscribe.
lapho ngokutoza olibhathani kolokana kuphi awubhadali imali
Going back to our sponsor, Lucky Bets, you can also register with Lucky Bets at luckybets.co.zw. Uyakunikeza ama-free spins. Labantu abathanda ukubheja Masudi anti uyakwazi thina sabulala nge-gambling.
ama-prediction
siyakubambela ama-straight
even ukwanise lokufeza iphupho lakho uthi wena usapasanga wahamba wakuba ngumpilot khathesi
Uyakwanisa ukuba ngumpilot.
even ukuflya
Bewunika ama-free flights.
ama-free flights yeah.
If you're feeling like so going back to I think this is the time okay esingafaka khona umbuzo we-comment sesiyawutshintsha umbuzo Lucky Bets register ngaphi for i-Lucky Bets. I think fair for everyone. Where do you go to register for wenzani ukuthi uregister?
Kumbe how do you register?
How do you register exactly?
to be a lucky bets partner
Ube iphanda. Kuthiwa iphanda. So umbuzo nalwana how do you register to be a Lucky Bets partner? Then there is a competition jana
raise the box
raise the box there. Abantu angazi people they don't want to win. Escort ngokunjani because Lucky Bets also did that competition escort.
yeah abantu they don't understand when they're saying raise the box it means you buy your chicken in before you go to this match and only on a game which chicken in is playing nxa i-chicken in idlala laphana then ubusuphakamisa i-red box yakho ufulathele i-ground uthatha ipicture kwenza ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi i-chicken in ise-ground then usuposta ube nxa uyividiyo wenza kuyividiyo kwakho then usukuposta then you are lucky you're going to win something
Nxa ukuposta you take either i-chicken in or i-Lucky Bets.
yes
Angazi kwakunjani escort babuya yini abantu?
yeah attendance was fair
Did they because mbemchecka ku Facebook page ye-Lucky Bets ambonanga even i-selfie or anything.
khonoko ngitsho ukuthi abantu they don't understand ukuthi kushoni
So,
they need this awareness campaign which you are trying to do ukuthi khona they have to understand what they mean ukuthi khona you don't go to the stadium ungathenganga i-chicken in
Ngokuchasise kuhle butho abantu bekuzwisise njengoba sithi abantu abazwisise phela kwesisikhathi siyakhuluma i-Queen's language or i-King's language ibisiphica ngoba asiyizwa ngokufanana uyifake ngesintu kuhle
yeah very communication is when the encoder and the decoder kusihamba kahle so now what it means ngendlela engikuzwisisa ngayo on a match day like nge-Wednesday mhla ka-22 when Islanders is playing chicken in uyasuka endlini yakho uqala uqonde any nearest chicken in outlet where you are you buy your red box you take it to the stadium lapho kudlala khona i-chicken in
even
usudlile waqeda you buy it uhambe
ibhokisi uhambe lalo
ibhokisi lakho uhambe lalo
thank you
then usufika sunjani susenza anything action oyenza umbuphakamisa ibhokisi lakho ufulathele i-stadium where the team is playing you record your video small clip or you take a small picture then you take i-chicken in or i-Lucky Bets then you become a winner.
There are so many prizes please guys asiliqambele manga sithe uRomeo Arch uza testify lo Moyetan uza testify bazabuya bezothatha ama prizes abo siyabanikeza le raise the box ama prizes akhona. Please participate. This coming game Wednesday 22 after independence, participate. Thenga ichicken ini yakho ufike stadium uphakamise ibhokisi uthatha iselfie lula uyiposte ku Facebook utheke ichicken in or lucky bits uzwinele. Guys, please win. Back to the regular show. Besikhuluma nge-Highlanders eka issue kaDenzini suspend uDenzini ube suspendiwe chance
Suspendiwe.
Anti uqeda uskare
Asikatholi formal communication.
Ususpend.
Formal communication yakalikhona.
selingivuka umbambanisa. So i-Highlanders sona ikhiphe i-statement ukuthi umjida ususpendiwe.
Uyabona wena ungahlukana lomkakho nje. Uthi uyehlukana lomkakho. Then abadala sebengenela sokuthi wabuyisana nini. Wena ungahamba uyamthatha utebuye endlini akaphenduki. Lapha
wona usafuna official statement.
Usaphiwe advice la nxa usuvuma into ayinza mthatha. But akaphenduki. So ama lawyers sekukhulumisana labo bavumelana ukuthi bembisele. But official statement ukuthi sebuyeleka kabuyele.
Isivumelwano siyawazi.
Asikabe waziso sikhona basikho but it's an advice.
Still under investigation.
Still under investigation. It's an advice that has been given.
But
basahleli la committee.
I think i-Highlanders was in the right direction. Now it's esikhanyela when it comes to ukuthi city youth empowerment and all. So asakwazi ukuthi i-youth isisuke yagqoba amathoza abadala kumbe ukuhamba njani, but esikukhulekelayo for the progress of i-Highlanders lokuhlonipha 100 years, Highlanders should try to solve ama-board issues abo lawa privately. Kungabi yinto akula muntu ongabuya la akula muzi ongaxatshanwayo.
You know why mfuna ufaka enye elisawuthi esilondeni. Kulezinye izinto ezenzakalayo ezigcina vele zisiba private. Yawazi why? Leyo is another matter. Kulento engibonileyo ubona uDon Thandeka King.
Yeah.
Uvakatsheli i-Highlanders. Umuntu omkhulu, big celebrity. Highlanders is celebrating 100 years.
With so many followers.
So many followers and ule influence across the world. Uvakatsheli i-Highlanders. Mina nyabe sembona ukuthi there is someone dropping the ball at Highlanders. Angikwazi ukuthi oyabe nguye o drop ibhola ngubani. Asoze ukuthi umuntu omkhulu efikile njalo elivakatsheli. Limnika iskipper lesana I think besithengiswe rankini bra. Aso la original replica ye-Highlanders.
Is a sublimation there.
You get what I'm saying? Limnike
isibambile la sponsor original.
It's not even
replica.
It's not even a match day replica.
It's not even a match day replica.
There's Bale
Highlanders 100 years.
Ezithengiswa abantu phandle.
Ezithengiswa ngabantu and asikho la Clubhouse. You get what I'm saying? You understand kulo muntu osedrop ibhola umuntu because that's criminal putters. That's criminality. Kulo muntu vele umsebenzi it's a public domain already.
They're also keeping on marketing Adidas. Well, at least Adidas are going to sponsor.
You understand?
Adidas
You understand what I'm saying?
So linking this with the suspension of Lokuzeni Denzel, how do we say the administration is failing?
Already ngunika i-example yokuthi there is someone that's failing uyenza umsebenzi. Nikubona mina ngikhatshana ukuthi but i-Highlanders is a big brand. Ngabe ehlule ukwenza lokho. Nxa sokuphume lokho vele ansa
sokusho ukuthi since ukuphuma kaDenzel ikwenze wazi baqasa ukuhamba isikiphi singayisiso. Ngawu Denzel
you're not getting the point.
I'm getting your point. I'm trying to find loophole.
Ukhulumela uyawazi ukhulumela ukuthi when it comes to marketing mina I'll repeat my statement. I-Highlanders ngabe ibihlakaniphile kumbe executive i-Highlanders ngabe ibihlakaniphile. This year it was their time to shine
and put the house in order.
Ukuthi i-brand yabo ibaphetheleni i-revenue and exactly ungazi ukuhamba e-Clubhouse i-replica akula
ayikho.
But everyone was hungry for ukuthi lami phela yazi kuhle ukuthi noma la yokusasa now uthi Highlanders lokuzeni supporter usibambe uthi yabona lesi
100 years.
ngesika 2026
100 years.
even ususibeke ku picture frame
That's true.
usutshelani abantwana.
My point exactly. My point is coming back ukuthi khona you are not failing, you are failing to understand me. Siyavumelana konke lokukhulumayo. But ngikubuza ngendlela ukuthi now these t-shirts as pure as 100 days, they are not being produced by the club.
Exactly.
They are produced by an individual
Yes.
who is not even registered or paying some substance.
Highlanders.
Then the club sethatha iskipe esinjalo,
Iyenika.
which means they are promoting piracy.
You understand what
That's
I'm
what
saying?
I'm trying to say.
This is what I'm saying ukuthi
Mina-
ku executive board laphana the whole structure eyayiland you see loopholes uphandle imagine nxa so issue kaMkandla ayisoze ukuyethuza because we are seeing these loopholes
Phela
and akuna muntu who's taking blame and akuna muntu ophumayo but guys this is wrong at the end of the day.
Phela-
So issue lena le ezabomkandla uyakhuluma uzathini
phela okushiwo ngu-Ashi it's simple Buthozan. Kunje so wena e-deputy 3 lama awungiyeke unikeze omunye umuntu just i-t-shirt okufileyo. Just umuntu asabala uMangcobo asabala lezini seri umuntu nje to market yourself manje. But iHighland labane ihambise into okufileyo ukuthi la kunje ngokugqoka ambona uMangcobo lokaveza ngakugqoka. Ufile vela so t-shirt lokho.
Njengoba ngalibona lim interviewer that day walingambuza ukuthi skipper si right.
I know but this is a serious matter angazi ukuthi
Which means vele ku-Highlanders
When it comes to generating revenue and iHighlanders very relaxed.
so there is someone dropping the ball.
i-Highlanders ayila boat.
Irelanders is a good example of a sleeping giant.
No,
Exactly.
i-Highlanders vele ama-boat
This is a message enough that ama-t-shirts nalawa elewabone circulated for 100 years. There is someone who's in the executive who is benefiting from that.
I cannot deny that.
That's an
if
assumption.
they are not-
That's an
I cannot
assumption
deny it.
I can boldly make. It's an assumption. There's somebody. I did not mention a name. So it's someone because you cannot take into illegally produced and which is a competitor to the brand.
Exactly.
And you give somebody else as an ambassador or somebody who's
going to market.
Who's going to market.
You understand what I'm
brand
saying?
is something which has been legally produced.
But yakwazi mina into engizibuza yona ngendlela vele iHighlanders efuna ukwenza ngayo. Iplayer lingadajukela ikhithi kwapha singabona kuthathwe enye ikhithi kumbe balama 1-1 velona lawa.
That's yes but Saveres ngiyenza umzekelo ukuthi umuntu onjalo ngabe uhambe ebulawayo Chiefs. Imagine ubuza bona a perfect example ukuthi no this is how things angisho ukuthi they are 100% correct but ngendlela ibrand labo abaliphusha ngayo abayenza they've got replicas bra fans have got replicas I represent a team proper bale amanzi bana they've got so many things. Imagine umuntu onjalo ndoda ehambe eteamini enjenge Chiefs ukuthi be pure proper replica
Even ichicken yini beyanike ama 2 piece kanti
i 2 piece brand
bala i 2 piece brand i-replica was also good.
You understand what I'm saying?
Irelanders is failing even to produce 100 t-shirts
approbe
ina ukuthi kumbe kule deal la sayinwayo why lingaphumi public ukuthi for i-replica
With
you
replica,
can contact kumbe uhambe shopping.
You see what I'm saying?
Yabo ayikho bezibuza ukuthi kanti i-replica ibiya nini and no one is responding to that question.
Siyabe kujuni kujuni league yabe siya many months
khathesi bese kumele kuphuma ama-replica kuphuma ama-jacket
Amakepesi.
but even yona i-team
If no maflake oncane nje lokano njalo kwaphinda namos lokana.
phela into esiyibonayo thina idili leyo lendela i-materializer ngeliyi-1 lelokuzeni elamasudu maruwaru siyambona yatshintsha amasudu signature zayo basayina la icontract yamasudu
encengo umasudu
uMarwaro is not a party ku-Highlanders ngothi ngocoach but kulo muntu wathi mina I will take care of uMarwaro
Because it's a brand uMarwaro vile.
so singaza ke sithi i-Highlanders yiyo yenza
kama i-signature sisina ukuthi yakwanisa ukunika umaruwaru amasudu every week why bengazange bayinika yona itender okay lelokuzeni elokuproduce ama-kit
besayini deal or
besayini
something
deal because laphana kule nto ekhona and umuntu wangikhona wamaprinter kumbuya photocopy amakit la umbuyenza njani but amakit angikhona ikhanga kunzima ukuthi ube le mass
Alright,
But the
production.
bottom line, do you see the gaps that I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Ukuthi into lezigcina ziba ku public domain buto. Zigcina ziphuma ebantwini because things are not done right.
Yeah.
At the end of the day,
Yeah,
things are not done
I
right.
I think uDenzel in this regard as a young man ube lo mnyama konkanti kona vele lapho kulwa khona indlovu ulimala utshani. Then yena njengomfana omncane la nxa wayenzile amaphutha amancane ukwedlula amaphutha ayenziwe yi-executive yakhona but yena because it can be sacrificed. He's a pawn in the looks in the game of chess. You can sacrifice any pawn. So he was one who was sacrificed for some times. Angaza ngithi kaphambanisanga because I don't have any know how the club is being run or something like that. But nonetheless, why is he being suspended after bench esekhalile ukuthi khona akatholi a support from the executive? So now the executive, they're trying to clean their name. Ukuthi khona they're not the one who is supporting bench, but it's the chief executive officer. But how can a subordinate support a subordinate, another subordinate?
Akuphumi.
It's something which leaves many
It raises
questions,
eyebrows, yeah.
many questions than answers at the end of the day. But Tina Sonke was speaking from outside, speaking from assumptions. Ukucabangela kuphela sikhuluma into esebesi iconnect again. But last time AGM Sabala lapha ukhoze khuluma ama statements akhe ukuthi kona ulama dual payments amaningi ayisenziwa kulezi imali zibhadala ama players angadlala ibhola and so forth and so forth. So when you are trying ukukumetsa la khona ukuzwayo uyabona ukuthi khona there is a loophole engakalungisiswayo kwa Islanders.
Anyway, guys, let's get to Lucky Time with Lucky Bets. We made our predictions. Our predictions, our bora ladlalwa Saturday. Let's get right into it. Saturday, bora lidlaliwe gents. Caps zastay yawalo. I think ukubuthi lapha wayevubile uthi iCape
Hayi mina nganthe lokuzeni iyawina.
iyantazi.
Mina nganthe
And that's first winner.
So iCape ziyantazi adraw 1-1. Iyadraw yadla iAgama 1-0. Ingezi Platinum yadraw the Triangle 1-1. iTel 1 yadliwa iChicken 0-2. Ibulawayo Chiefs yadraw the Scotland 0-0. Then yesterday's results, we saw Manica Diamonds continue their losing streak. Team ingani vele ayikho cast candidate iphakamisa isandla se-relegation ilwe lokhu i-Rentals 2-1.
Masudukhuluya phela Arthur.
Then i-Dynamos idrawile the Platinum 1-1. Then i-Islanders like continue their drawing streak. It drew the ZPC Kariba APA for 0-0. From the results, lama predictions zethu, any surprises or from our results on Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah, the biggest shocker was Islanders versus the Caps. Because everybody else thought ukuthi Caps idliwe until that last minute equalizer. They are showing ukuthi kona Caps is now becoming complacent. Sebetutuzekile ngokuwina, sebebona kanti khona bayachaya. So bengayala benjalo bazaba sengozini. They have to wake up from that sleep, they wake up from that dream and know that these things are reality. Ngendlela ade beqalise ngayo, kade sebechiye number 2. Number 3 I mean 1 point. Sebelingana number 2. So which is something which is raising many questions about Caps ukuthi ihambisa njani.
I don't think they are complacent. Let's give credit to the teams that they're playing with. Let's give credit to our other team. So it means make a plan. We need almost 30 minutes. Make a plan, James. We need almost 30 minutes to finish because it's slow T1. Angwazi ukuthi lina images lenze njani. We will edit this out. We will edit this out and we continue. I don't think ukuthi ilokhuzeni Caps is relaxed the chance. Teams ama-team asekwazi ukuthi nxa siyadlala le Giant kuyafiwa.
And into ekhona khathesi ngabo Caps ungakhayela iHunters iHunters kumbe I think ibile 5 if not 4 former Cape United players. So they were out there to prove a point. Ufumbidzai in the company befuna kunjani the same scenario yani yengezi
the Capes
sibonile futhi siphenduke sizohunta futhi Capes nga egemini yehunters so abantu bayalokho besitadana futhi benjani
team vele ebakuform butho bayistart fast
and okunye I think mina iCapes maybe ibilama easy teams at first khathesi iphesi sinjani
sokutshintshini
So
lama team amanye ase pick up iform then
mina ngibona ngani kuba lobu seriousness ma umuntu esiyadlala le Capes like ihunters ihambe ukuthi mawungwe hunters la uli player mawusadlala le Capes lawe uhamba ule that thing ukuthi namhlanje ngiba serious kakhulu ngoba sidlala lani labantu abachisileyo abaseform
uhamba uqinile
njenge-Chiefs yabona so yiko befika
yeah uqinile njenge-Chiefs
like we there eBarberfield Sancho when we were watching i-Chiefs against Scotland lapha eScotland isinde ngokuthi vele ibhola likhona but isinde ngokulambisa kaze mele ichawe bo6 yabo because i-Chiefs ayihambanga ngani iyadlala kumbe le hunters kumbe la agama ihambe isiapprove ipoint manje labantu bazenza abaningazi bebhola mana sibacha the way abahamba abantu ispirit ahamba kiso belaso ebhoreni determines madoda into ezaphuma madoda like i-Chiefs mina bona this week I give credit to i-Chiefs mostly than i-hunters i-Chiefs idlalile madoda kwalile but i-Chiefs iyadlala
then kule issue odukhala ngayo before singena ku set ngombe ngubutho ama penalty ase P Dynamos uthi Dynamos every game is being given ama penalty egameni yabo le platinum but ba equalize nge penalty but to me ngithe ngikhangela ilokuzeliana it was a genuine penalty nje ukeeper uthinta umuntu and umuntu was facing opposite direction to the goal
yeah Antona lapho uyibone ngeside engayisiyo e1 so ukeeper mina ngokubona kwami wakathinta ibhora uqala isandla even though sazobuya emuntwini because ibhora vele belizoyedwa ekona umuntu langasakwanzanga uliyedwa ibhora but nonetheless officiating yeZimbabwe is becoming bad even ungakhayela lokuzeni igame lana same game ibhora seliyedwa ngumuntu ukuthi liye ehlohle ureferee yaqeda ibhora
ngizobathi bekhala
which is not
from corner
because nesikwazi ukuthi ibhora laphela even ngenxa ikhona ingakhatshwa but isikhatshiwe sisekhanda lomuntu ibhora usulokuza usushaya impembe
so unfortunate
and the other thing kati icontact yane ehagi ukeeper lokuze hagi urefu wasn't that supposed to be
it's a punishable offense
it was a punishable offense but I think the fact yonale ukuthi urefu lwana what realized he made a mistake ngokuchacha ipenalty and wachacha penalty nikelo
that one is not a punishable offense a punishable offense ulalapho ufika khona udonsa uref umbambe lapha udonsa lapha he was begging ukuthi khona uref engamnikelo card
barumphiliyelo ubesemnike eyokufoul
ubesemphile so anje bonke kwesisikhathi ungafika umdonsa nganto leyalo lo ref lapha that's when uref reacta khona but lapha ikubona sometimes yakwanisa ukuthi umbambe if uref unika icard umqhawula isandla akula problem lokho he just said no thanks I'm sorry kuchiyene igesture yakho owenza ngayo ilinjana nika Ronaldo ezephiwe yellow card lapha ande kumuntu waphiwe yellow card wabethonsa uref wathi even though wayefuna ukumbamba kuhle but ngenxa ukuthi uref wayehamba wasengathi wamdonsile it becomes an offense.
Any other fixture besides we all know guys
2-0
esigqokisa amasudu
hayi yabona oqhatheke ngaleya nandi ucoach yahanjiswa eSpain iliki ngaqazinisi uyahanjiswa eSpain 2 weeks
alabazathola nziyo ngocoach uhanjiswa eSpain kola phezulu kuloko
ebese siyabuya ke ucoach sizosenza ama results aka draw lokho lokukhalisa khona ucoach nganda because ungakhayela lingadliwa you raise from ama mistakes and ukhe sesidliwa selibona amaphutha but nxa li draw mjokojo sometimes kunzima ukuthi ibona amaphutha laloko sithi siyadlala
mina ukuthi judging from itel 1 I cannot say hayi ichikenini iyadlala because itel 1 layo like ingani manika ikinga umanika labo agama so lapha ukuzilandela izinto ezifileyo ugena no
nxa ubona ama results ethelwana uza kuthi iyaclicka but nxa ibukele ground always speak
uyakwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto azifuni ukuthi uzuyebukela eground anjo sudlale 7 games sesidithimana ngoba bathi okay udlala njani sesibona but lo nyaka vele this season isithelwana yakhona
but
ilokuxega
ixega home uyakwazi i-10-1 away from their home they are performing well but asakwazi ukuthi la kumbe maybe ground yesikhe
so exega engcono ithelwana lebhoso iphi
ini ibhoso look at yazi kule into abantu abangayaziyo kubhoso ibhoso vele yathi siyadlala already omunye umuntu abesekwazi abaye bathe it's a case anjo to me like when uyakhonza kulento leyana enjalo okuthiwa eBhayibhelini ungathiwa kunanzelela uJona you know ukuthi abantu beTashishi bebe right beziphilela kuhle abantu beTashishi bezikholisela kwasokufika uJona thoqala ukuba lesavunguvungu so mina kuwayilenda bese right but there is uJona there asibazi ukuthi ngembamba uJona konke kuyini bese right ngabantu beTashishi but kulo Jona kuwayilenda asibazi administration but kulo Jona uJona asimkhipheni eTashishi
emkhiphe emjikele edliwe
asimjikele uJona azele ngoba abantu siyabona adliwe inhlanzi imise ngoba abantu siyabona yayilenda kulo Jona
umlomo lapho khona kokhuluma izolo kulo topo kwangitshela mfana yabona ibhoso le yaxotsha kuba ama-former players labo coach labo amini labo agent bengabe bebophile but konke khona kana is a myth ikucabangela and kuyinto esingayaliyo ukuthi khona la nxa sikhonza siyakwazi into ezenzakalayo ngithi zisenzakala zinjalo mana wena lothina wakho zisenzakala zinjalo that i-point ekhulunywa uMasudu and it's a valid point. It's some ukuthi ukubuya ukaJona kungaba ngikuthi no nguJona
nguJona hayi bayakwazi abayale
kungaba yisupport ubuya kwaMaruaru kube indaba ze-finance
kube ebona abahamba ama-former coaches ababophileyo bonke ngoJona bona so siyakufaka sithi
kube striker lapho
aliyambulala
but nonetheless that has been the problem being found. It's just 7 games that down the line. Tottenham has gone for the whole 3 months, 4 months. I got the winning game one for this season. Ibo chiwe yini, kulo Jona yini. So all those things.
Amakiwa labodwa believe into ezishene.
See, konke lokho I understand.
But ayayilenda kodwa sifuna ukuchithela uJola phansi.
Ngayi BF kwenza umsebenzi.
Sifuna ukwenza umsebenzi.
Phela izolo bathi ama post 3 nje.
Abaqondise bele gate response postel cha.
At least i-striker esikhalela uMaruaru sisibonile impact yaso okutshengisa ukuthi given time
but the better impact than origin abaqalisile
ukuthi given time information yakhe lo Shelton leya bengaqalisa imfu bengaphiwa i-chance sibone nanto ayisithi esicho singathi emaphisi abazadlala njani.
Yeah, igame emapisa lana is the game for Islanders, not just to talk on it's a independence trophy. It's a game for them to regain their form because bangavele bekhuthe ngale ngiyalitshela babantja zongenzi
but yawazi ukuthi
badotshola zinkulu
yawazi into le mina independence bengahambisa even uTeam B under pressure because bawina iJairos Jiri ba raise ama hopes bengawina independence ba raise ama hopes next game bale chicken ifika ibali icycle yani continue futhi
ichicken ni vele ngikhumbula phana ukuthi khona idleki ibhoso iyaqalisa ukuyimisa yipi
so yazibeze mfuna Masudu Jake imbambo zami sezibuhlungu ungayenzi njalo ngoJona nje
hayi mina lenza ngikutshela ukuthi uyabona madoda singayala sithina yabona biblically iBhayibheli iyasifundisa
kakhulu
kwala la unje uyasempilweni right uphile right
bese kubuya uJona
ukasuka lo lezinye izinto yabo kaso kulabantu abangoJona abakwenza la ungaphumeleli abakhona ungamsusa umuntu akho empilweni yakho you move kala yiko phela ubona bahlala phansi eTashishi bathi kati ngubani
ongabe bangela lo
ongabe bangela
omunye
lo
nomunye kathandaza uNkulunkulu wakhe
omunye
indlela yakhe.
umunye la manje kwayilendazi akuhlalwe phansi khona kusavereza
let's hope ama investigations
kanti manje kuyini okwenza so
So benziti, let's continue with the lucky time with Lucky Pezan. Sky ama fixtures abuya imbambo zami sesizubuhlungu. So Independence Day Saturday 18 we've got a fixture Rufaro. Renters is taking on Hunters. Predictions sidlule nini guys. Liyacabanga kakhulu.
it's a draw match iHunters ya it's a win or draw Hunters win or draw Hunters Hunters yadlala mana
Renters win
1-1
Draw. Then Sunday the 19th we've got the Agama taking on Simba Bore. What's an eye?
Simba Bora win.
performance ya Simba Bora these days. I think I will judge by anamhle yadlala
Yadlala namuhla.
Mina kayisa i-performance yabo eyanamuhla yeza determine iwin ba wina umbe badlala njalo.
Caps tell one. Caps taking on tell one Rufaro.
First win yake detail 1 away.
Caps the straight win
Win Caps 2-1.
Platinum Lemos Emandawa.
Platinum Emos high this time I see you that
0-0.
Platinum win 1-0.
Then Hard Rock takes on Ngezi Chawanda.
Ingezi ya win 2-1.
Ngezi win.
Hard Rock in favor of home ground I found lama points
Chawanda. Then Wednesday 22nd of April we've got Scotland take on Dynamos Rufaro.
Dynamos
Okay.
Ndia sesingabona enye 3-0 futhi.
2-2.
I'll go with Buto straight draw. Bengafuna ukungena this week because isikhathi uthi sithi cover. But I see a draw. It's between Scotland and Dynamos. Then Chicken Inn versus Islanders. Ubani nje zakho zikaJohn. Chicken Inn Islanders.
Kaloku uJohn
EPF.
mina straight draw futhi
So Islanders is going for 8 draw.
Yeah.
8 draw.
ayabuyela futhi khona fana
First lose for Islanders of the season.
Saverezo dine.
Lapana Islanders my twin. I don't wanna lie.
Lucky Bets subscribers, just put chicken in win. You take money there.
Then is ZPC Karip versus Ebulawa Chiefs eNyamunga.
Tricky encounter lana cause ngale weather condition lana jalo we favor PC Carib but it na away result being at tears favor. I think it's a win for Bulawayo Chiefs.
Win for Player Chiefs.
yeah ibulawa Chiefs ilama strikers izPC ngibona la I attack ibulawa Chiefs
Maybe ngebe strategy sokudraw.
hayi vela attack
Those are the upcoming fixtures. Then as Sky nama division 1 nama results then see Valen in gents. Team yami good morning Central Region ngenzele uhle. Who's looking at Central Region?
Yemengu Central Region.
Familiar results nje pho
Central Region iloku zenini iKwekwe United idliwe team yami Kwanda Pirates 1-0.
ungakamuveli phambili on that game man Machisa played his first game. Nguyo assistileyo and umfana lona umbonisi former Islanders ukulona uKwanda Pirates wahlohla. So one of our own put in a man of the match performance in that game.
I think if umbonisi lombe so say 7 goals or 8 goals embala lama goals akaye previous loku season
Last season is continuing his form.
Islanders when yabile goal drought i-strikers abo esikuloni performa kuhle
Sihlohla.
why ungamrecall iback umuntu onjalo
Exactly bro. So continue Buto.
Chapungu 4 ZPC Kariba. Also ZRP Kwanda. Satori Kaizo. Ichapungu 4 imapolisa eKwanda badlile 4-0. Chapani 1, Blanket Mine 1, Shuruku 0, MSU 1, Matopo 0, Green Tigers 3, West Nicholson 1, Super Strikers 1, Savi Gold 2, Thembe Stars 1, Tongogara 2,
awusinike amanye awabonayo la uncokhela ilokhu angana qhakathekile.
iDibu Badzimu idliwe ngo Good Morning
Thank you.
1-0.
Good Morning Football Club, my team. That's Central Region, Eastern Service, ukhali Eastern,
eh
ikole team yami futhi khona ngam.
Deportivo
Deportivo la Murambinda. Vele
but kulo gula isaCF njengoba ngunumber 5 but i-Green Fuel if it keeps on i-formula they might come back. Maybe sewe ngaba labo accidentally
in T1.
T1.
Ngani serious Greenfield?
Yeah, ngathi serious. It's quite disappointing ukuthi amanika Diamonds senior team is underperforming while at least under 19 wonelo cause
Performing so well.
Performer kanje sinasikhangela amanika Diamonds won 2-1 against the Renkoma FC. Yada FC la is performing well.
Ngale zonke ezirelegate ngale.
Idle hayi but idlela abanye futhi abarelegate iBikita Minerals 2-0.
Eish.
Then i4 Lions FC idrawile le Bikita Cheetah Athletics. I-biggest result kube i-Grand Legacy FC eChaipa FC 6-0. Then iTongogara United yadraw le FC Wangumatsore. Wangumatsore haya kuphenduka ukuthi twice it is abuya.
Hayi wangu akusela.
Mele sikhohlwe.
Hayi wangu akusela thina.
Ama-money bags Eastern Region i-Africa Mineral Ventures idrawile le Uni Mashungu United 2-2.
And iMashungu la Uni phela yaphima le ndawazi.
Yeah. And any team abantu abangakhangelelanga esingasurprise abantu.
iMashungu bena.
I-Tenax
i-Tenax yazi i-consistency yakho ivile last season yabidlala khona phakathi
yabhokla njenge Arsenal.
Yabhokla
Tenax iwinile 2-0 against iChivu FC. Then esikhangeleleyo iGreen Fuel uthi ngaphendu idrawile against Mtare City Rovers 0-0.
ngitshela ukuthi iDeportivo la Murambini unumber 1 kuloko.
Number 5.
iDeportivo nje team leli nanzile mfungeze friendly between iDeportivo le Good Morning. Masudu
yona idrawile futhi la 1-1.
le Dibu Badzimu alana ngayilandela wena.
iDeportivo idrawile lokho zeni le Great Zimbabwe.
Le Great Zimbabwe. All right.
Yeah, things are looking well one.
For iDeportivo.
Aye.
My team Deportivo. I'm biased when it comes to Deportivo. Ayangichaza nje.
Because it is number 1 with 10 points.
Then let's look at there is also in Northern Region. Sutman ku Northern Region zimenjani?
Northern Region mana ngiqase ngalezi ezirathabule kakhulu ezinye. Ipam irathabule iCranbourne Bullets 3-1. Kwathi iBlack Mambas ishaba fana bengubo iBanket United 3-1 layo also. Then iBlack Rhinos la ishayishamba 1-0. Then iteam elokhi ngani ukuthi 1 yenza kamnandi le team iMos ibi away idlala le CP Chemicals yawina 2-1 layo
Abafana beMos.
Abafana beMos. Kwathi iHarare City ibi away zibe ichimu lobhanqa layo the Rangers.
Iteam ehlupha manje ku Northern yena la.
iHarare City be.
Yeah kule Harare kule PM.
Because and iHarare City ilama legend amaningi. So but hayi ibanjwe iRangers ngoba la iHarare City bi away.
Rangers yeka Katsande.
Rangers yeka Katsande.
Katsande uyocoacha kwaba.
Uthi iCaro yabo be 0-0 le Zambezi le Patana la kwaba ngijikile obhanga 0-0.
Tapatani.
Kule team Masutu esasikhuluma ngayo lana ukuthi beyingenise iChingwere ikunodini
idrawile le lama title contenders iFC Oden.
So it's a good side that's why babekhale ungena idrawile iChingwere
Lapha ngibona
While idrawile 0-0 while still abangena ngomkoti
iMarere
idliwe inkezi.
So iMarere vele yenza Marere
ya iChingwere Joel Oden 0-0
kulokhu ilokhu eNorthern zimenjani
ula
ngicela iPem ngani phezulu
iPM yephezulu
umenzi uzayifaka lapha amalogo la division so as ama pesetters so far Northern Region ngani iPem le Harare City then ku Central Region iChapungu le Shabane ngani izifuna ba serious even though kule ikhwekhwe even iKwanda Pirates they are starting to pick up ama points then ku Eastern Region mina vele andiyawazi ku Eastern ngikhayela uphelile ukuzini Deportivo la Morambini yimfuna ingeni ama pesetters eEastern Region ilokhuzeni iGreenfield ngani ifuna uphenduka ku Eastern Region so far then ku Southern Region kule Southern Region ama results eSouthern Region ilokhuzeni inkai idroyiswe iZebra Revolution 0-0 iyithi inkai then iwange idle i5 note iKesmine 5-0 ibulawayo City iJoel Mbizo 1-1 then kule lama team ama Dark Horses iTalent Vision le Bulawayo Warriors idle iNjube United 2-0 la idlala ngeWednesday then ngeFriday iTalent Vision yadle Mosi Rivers 4 umkhuphali is doing a good job lapha ku Talent Vision ungathi check ilokhuzeni yakhona then amanye ama fixtures azadlalwa Thursday kule iSaints yadlala le Mosi 16 lokhuzeni anda ilokhu standing yelokhuzeni ye-Southern Region awulayo bebengakayikhiphi singena ku-set because amanye amagame abephuzile ukudlala ngoba ayizolo iSaints le Warriors iSaints le Black Rock because iBlack Rock yengcina iphezulu iSaints layo ngani yenza ama moves ubona ama legends amaningi ezimsensi lokho ephenduka baqhatshe uEfrem Shawanda
lise ku structure la
la bamphendukisile iSaints la ngani is doing a restructuring which is good for Izim's football because historically we need Zimbabwe Saints guys kulokho
football
yafunakala you cannot talk about ibhola leZimbabwe ungamentionanga Izim Saints
but singayenzi ngokuthi try ngendala abantu abaprove Dali Saints bilokhe beyinika ama freebies sekuhleka la kunini sure
abaprove because ngabona even Epson Sugar Mgoyo la bambisela is part of that yabona so iSaints ama legends awe sengane isingaqini ivukini ngoba bangani bafuna ukuyenza ilokhuzeni istructure esisharp I think we've done justice akulokunye last words then sivale guys Jonah ulama last words kumbe ufuna uJona any last words ufuna ukusivala ngakajona
mina vele ngiyabona kwengistikile kuJona ukuthi asikhiphe noJona ku Highlanders siyawazi ukuthi uJona ngubani
awumbulele ngoJona last words Savereza sivale
hayi mina umkhuleko wami ngizakuzama ukuthi sikhulekele iHighland ngicela sibe usikhulekele iHighland okulidimoni kwawo okufuna ukubhidlisa
unoqala wathi bayithela utshwala
yikho phela ngikutsho same konke phela kanti izidonazi into eqathele ukuthi message njani ifike asazi ukuthi khathesi njengoba sokubi uanalyst le striker sesibonile dlala first game maybe things will change for the better but hayi
but on a serious note we need all the three teams akubulawayo firing last week Butho
I was take on what we were saying kwete mve mkhuluma ukuthi kona my wish is to see the three teams of Bulawayo getting maximum points and so that ukuthi sithole futhi the fourth team in Bulawayo ukutravela kakhulu lokho kuya strain and I'm wishing Highlanders the best. The problem is that they are facing Chicken this week. So for the next coming weekend, that's when I wish them the best. And the same thing about the Bulawayo Chiefs, I'm wishing them the best. But the problem, but they are facing a Chicken weekend, Daniza. So nonetheless, those are our 6 points, which we are going to put on the back. But sesibuyela ku Highlanders bahlabe Zulu siyakwazi abaningi bakhala ngokuthi team ibotshiwe asazi ukuthi nxa ibotshiwe ikhululwa njani hamani le solution ku executive ikhulule but my wish is that iyalenders is going to begin to start firing problem iyalenders ukuthi ayihlohle ayiconcede kodwa ayihlohle that's where the problem is so uJona wakhona kakhulu team iqasa ukuhlohla uJona kaphume.
Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and continue engaging us in the comment section. Ama winners lingakhohlwa ukubuya lizothatha or usendele message nxa kulomuntu ozabuya ozothatha i-present yakho on your behalf. I think that would be proper. The competition is continuing. The Raise the Red Box competition is continuing. Lucky Bets. Remember, this program was proudly brought to you by Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies, also powered by Lucky Bets. We've got also Sports Zone. Then our day one friends, Ogushe Designs, also Konapa. Looking ngamanzi. Now, ufuna partner with us. Contact the numbers on the description link or the numbers on the screen. We can advertise your brands. Schooling Sonke is a family person move the fastest growing soccer podcast in the land. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, guys.
Hello?
See you next time.
Ngicela ungifayela amanzi ebeboyila lapho ngabuya lenkukhu.